Welcome back to another Dessert King video.
Let's see what we're gonna make today. Lemon cakes. Alright, so you're going to take the 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of sugar, and leave about half a cup left. And cream it together, half a pound. And mix it for about 5 minutes. So once it's gone for about 5 minutes, then you're going to put it on stir and go 1 egg at a time and crack them and put them in. And then you're going to sift together flour, baking soda, and pretty much all the dry ingredients. Flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder, and sift them. Alright, and then in another bowl, you're going to combine 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. While this is going, put it on stir, alternate dry and wet ingredients, or dry, wet, until all of them are in. Make sure to end with dry. And then after that, then you're gonna add the last half cup of sugar. There's your dough. Stir it for a little bit. Okay, so you're gonna take the 2 cans or something like that and spray them with non-stick spray, and then put a piece of parchment paper on the bottom of them. It's because what's the point of making it if you can't get it out? Alright, so then you're gonna take the batter and pour them evenly into the pans. If they do overflow, it would just go into the non-stick. And then once you have that, then you're gonna preheat the oven for 350 degrees. And then bake for 45 minutes to an hour. All right, and then once it goes for about 35 minutes, then you're gonna put a piece of aluminum foil on it.
1 hour later.
Let's try some. That's really good.
Muffin pans or bread pans or